Hi, I am Mandy of Mad Cow Mandy Designs, and today I'm wanting to share with you a quick tutorial on how I am making this fun texture with self-striping yarn. So this is by Pretty Twisted Yarns, and it is Summerberry Cheesecake. As you can see, I already have my heel in and am pretty far along the way. I am just about ready to put in another texture row. I do that at the color change. So you can see that it's right about here. I'm just going to continue along in my stockinette until I reach that. Okay, I have now made one stitch that is in this kind of fuchsia-y purple color. I am in the middle of a round. I am not going to care. I'm going to go ahead and put my yarn in the front and purl. From here, I'm going to do a 1 by 1 ribbing. Okay, that might look a little odd because I only did the ribbing on part of the needle. It doesn't matter, you won't notice it later. Now moving on to the bottom of my sock, I don't want to walk on that texture, so I'm just going to do straight stockinette across that. And I will catch back up with y'all once I get through this. Back to the top of the foot, because I ended this with a knit stitch, I am going to start with a purl stitch. If I had ended with a purl, I'd start with a knit. As you can see, I'm starting to come back up on where the color change happened. So that was a knit. I'll purl another one. And we're back to that very first knit stitch I did. And I'm just going to knit it and keep working in stockinette now. And it's that simple. From here out, you will work stockinette until you hit your next color change. It doesn't matter where the yarn changes color in your round. That just becomes the new temporary beginning of round for you. And it's that simple. It adds a fun texture without really a whole lot of thought or extra effort. Hope y'all enjoy, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!